If you want to make your vlogs better but you want to do it quickly, then watch this video because it will help you. The first one is to make a storyboard, mentally or physically write it down. What I mean by this is to write down your shots from the start to the finish. It will help you because you're not rushing. Trust me, it does work. I do this before I even pick up the camera, I do this, and it helps me better my videos, my vlogs even, every single time. Don't vlog just because you can. By this I mean just because you have a free day doesn't mean you should vlog that day. Don't vlog just going up the shop and just doing standard things. People want to see better stuff, if that makes sense. So vlog when you're actually doing something that people might find interesting, because not a lot of people want to see you just walking up the shop or just chilling at your house. A vlog is meant to be entertaining, so don't waste your opportunity to make a good video by wasting your talent, because people might come across that video and that's your first video they've ever seen of you, watch it, it's a waste of video, and they don't subscribe. So don't waste your vlogs. Use cinematics. I really can't explain how important this is. So when you're traveling somewhere, instead of just saying I'm going there and then suddenly being there, show your way from A to B in a cinematic way like this. It's fine to just talk about something, but to show it like this creates a better story. Quick tip, use the black bars at the top and bottom. You can get them as a PNG and just drop them onto your footage, and use music that is slightly upbeat. You don't want to be dropping D&B or classical music. You want to find that slightly upbeat music like I added in the cinematic shot I just showed you. And the last one, bit obvious, use music at the start and end of your video, and also in every cinematic shot. You don't want just a cinematic shot of just shots, you need audio. Start and finish, I say that because it gets the people hyped at the start, prepare for your video, and at the end. Music is emotional, and if you use the right music, it can get the right feel to even subscribing, if that makes sense. So at the end, it will create something like you want to watch more, and that is very important. You want people to not just end that video, they want to watch another one. So use music at the start, end, and during cinematics. I know these were obvious, but I always see people not doing this and they're wasting their talent. Remember, YouTube, your videos are art. They are an art, so don't rush it. But anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you can hit that sub button and that like button, hopefully I'll see you in the next video.